Hi, it's Mark Hammer with Hammer Group Realtors coming to you from Vancouver, British Columbia. And this is our update for May 1st. Sometimes I just have to tell it how it is. And that's what I've been doing. Last night I was at an event, and whenever I go to an event or a social gathering, people come up to me because I've been selling real estate for 31 years. They come up to me and say, what's going on in the market? What's going on in the market? And they know. I mean, our market's been going down for a while and people know, but they just need to be reassured that it's going down still. Well, here we are. I'm going to sort of give you a lowdown, what I see and what kind of opportunities there are out there. Let's get started. December to February, I noticed a significant decrease in prices and a slowdown in buyers. But then all of a sudden March came. March is supposed to pick up. It slowed down. And that was due to what's going on in Iran, global uncertainty, fuel prices going up, talk about interest rates going up, bad news, right? And so what happens when there's bad news? It creates uncertainty. And what happens when there's uncertainty? People don't buy. They don't buy houses, or maybe they do. And so let's talk about that. When the market goes up, people feel good and they buy. When the market goes down, people run for the hills and they don't buy, and it goes down further. And so that's what's been going on. But there's still people on the sidelines. So all those people that were going to buy last year, and all those people that were going to buy in December that held off, and then all those people that were going to buy at the beginning of the new year, January, February, and then started looking and then held off, those people are still out there. And they still have growing families, and they still need a need for housing. And so the buyer pool is building up right now. We are starting to get a little bit more certainty. Or people are just getting used to what's going on in the world. Interest rates did not go up the other day. A 5-year interest rate is probably about 3.6% right now. A variable is probably about 3.8. It's about the same. But prices are down. It's a much better time to buy now versus buying this time last year. In fact, I haven't seen a buying opportunity in the last 40 years, like what we've got right now. We've got relatively low interest rates. They're not going to be going up. And we've got low prices. I mean, I saw a place that sold downtown at the Butterfly, and now this is an extreme example, but it was sold for $1,500,000. It was 1,050 square feet. And I'm like, gosh, that's kind of expensive. But what did this person pay for it? They paid $2.5 million for it. That's $1 million off. When have you seen $1 million off? And that's not $1 million off a $4 million house. That's $1 million off 2.5 to 1.5. Significant. So there's big discounts out there. And anybody that's scared to buy real estate and is waiting for it to go up is going to miss out on those opportunities. Do you buy in a stock market when things are crazy and prices are way up? Or do you buy when there's a dip? You buy when there's a dip. Who makes money when the stock market dips? Smart investors. Who makes money when the real estate market dips? Smart investors. Now with the real estate, you can invest into real estate, buying your home. You get a roof over your head. You get a hedge against inflation. You pay down your mortgage and build up your equity so that you can create something to pass to generations. You create a legacy. That's when the smart investors are buying. This is a window of opportunity. And if you want to explore this further and see how you can make a lot of money and get the best real estate out there, then sit down with me or someone on the team, and we'll be happy to set up a game plan step by step what we can do for you to take advantage of this market right now. Because this window of opportunity, how long do you think it's going to last for? Another 6 months? I mean, the economy's improving. The news is improving. When people feel comfortable, they'll be buying again. And when you look at a real estate graph, you see peaks and valleys, but every peak is higher than the last peak. On that note, make it a great weekend. Bye for now.